Now go for fourth question. What is given? Y into x square y square plus 2 into dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square dy equal to 0. Okay. So the differential equation is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m is y into x square y square plus 2. So multiplying with y, then finally x square y cube plus 2y, and n is equal to 2x minus 2x cube y square. And find out dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. And we observed that dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So equation 1 is not exact, but it is in the form of y into fxy dx plus x into gxy dy. So according to the definition, the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. And calculate 1 by m into x minus n into y. So 2xy got cancelled. We have only 1 by 3x cube y cube. So integrating factor is 1 by 3x cube y cube. After finding integrating factor, you just multiply equation 1 with this integrating factor. Okay. So after multiplying, you get 1 by 3x plus 2 by 3x cube y square into dx plus 2 by 3x square y cube minus 2 by 3y dy. And again check whether it is exact or not. So again this is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy. m1 is 1 by 3x plus 2 by 3x cube y square, and n1 is 2 by 3x square y cube minus 2 by 3y. And calculate dou m1 by dou y. Already I announced that partially differentiate with respect to y in that sense x keeps constant. Partially differentiate with respect to x in the sense y keeps constant. So with respect to y means there is no y term in first term, so this is 0. And 2 by 3x cube is constant, and dou by dou y of 1 by y square is minus 2y cube. So after simplification, we get minus 4 by 3x cube y cube. So dou n1 by dou x, which is also minus 4 by 3x cube y cube. So dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore equation 2 is exact. General solution is integral m1 dx, treat y as a constant, and integral individual terms of y and constant of n1 dy equal to c. It means that wherever we have a x term, you just discard. Only we take individual terms of y, alone y and constants, alone y and constant. Okay. So m1 is 1 by 3x plus 2 by 3x cube y square dx, and in n1 first term contain x, so that discard, and second term there is no x term, so that we have to consider minus 2 by 3y. Okay. So 1 by 3 integral 1 by x dx is log mod x. 2 by 3y square is constant. Integral 1 by x cube is x power minus 2 by minus 2. That means integral of x power minus 3. X power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1. Okay. So plus of minus minus. 2 by 3 constant. Integral 1 by y is log mod y is equal to c. Therefore 1 by 3 log mod x minus 1 by 3x square y square minus 2 by 3 log mod y is equal to C is the required solution. So 4b given L into di by dt plus IR is equal to E cos omega t. Dividing on both sides by L. So di by dt plus IR by L is equal to E cos omega t by L. This is a linear differential equation and which is in the form of di by dt plus pi is equal to q. This is familiar, you know very well about this. So when it is a linear differential equation, you have to collect p and q. Here p is r by L and q is E cos omega t by L. So first of all you have to find integrating factor, e power integral p dt, e power integral where p is r by L into dt. R by L is a constant, integral 1 dt is t. So integrating factor is e power r by L into t. So general solution is I into if integral q into if dt plus c, where if is e power r by L into t. Okay, integral q for what? E cos omega t by L into if e power rt by L plus c. Now e by L is constant, taken out, e power rt by L into cos omega t dt. We have a formula, integral e power ax cos bx dx is e power ax by a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. You have to remember this formula. Okay. So e by L is constant where a is r by L and b is omega. Put into this formula. E power rt by L by r by L whole square plus omega square r by L into cos omega t plus omega sin omega t. Okay. Here we note that a is r by L and b is omega, and using that put into this formula. And dividing with e power rt by L on both sides. So I of t is equal to e by L into L square by r square plus L square omega square into r cos omega t by L plus omega sin omega t plus c into e power minus rt by L. Okay, so given I of 0 is equal to 0, it means that I is 0 when t is equal to 0. So that is initial condition. By using this you can find constant. If it is not given, equation 1 is the solution. If it is given, you have to use it and find out constant c. Okay, but in the question given I of 0 is equal to 0, that means substitute t is equal to 0, I is equal to 0 in the equation 1. I is 0, e by L into L square by r square plus L square omega square of r by L cos of 0 plus omega into sin of 0 plus c into e power minus r by L into 0. 0 is equal to e by L into L square by r square plus L square omega square of r by L into cos 0 is 1 plus sin 0 is 0 plus c. So finally c is minus er by r square plus L square omega square. So after finding constant, you put into the above equation. Okay, so e by L into L square by r square plus L square omega square into r by L cos omega t plus omega sin omega minus er by r square plus L square omega square into e power minus rt by L. And here e by r square plus l square omega square take common. So r cos omega t plus l omega sin omega t minus r into e power minus rt by l is remaining. It is the required solution. Thank you.